The C81 is a Bluetooth adapter that lets you connect your wireless headphones to various devices, like your PS5 or PC. Here are a few quick tips and tricks on how to use the C81 for best results. Tip 1. You can plug the C81 into any audio source with either a USB-A or USB-C audio output port, whether that's a phone, Windows laptop, Linux PC, Mac, PS5, etc. Even if your audio source has built-in Bluetooth already, the C81 is still worth getting, with its longer and more stable range, low latency support, plug-and-play ability, and more. Tip 2. The C81 works with all Bluetooth headphones and earbuds, from AirPods to Bose to Beats. But it does not work with non-Bluetooth headphones, like the PlayStation Pulse. And it only works with audio devices, not keyboards, mice, printers, and whatnot. Tip 3. This may sound obvious, but when you're ready to pair your headphones to the C81, make sure that the headphones are not already connected to another device, and that they're properly placed into pairing mode. The vast majority of connection issues arise from the headphones not actually being in pairing mode. If you're not sure how to enter pairing mode on your device, well, a quick Google search should be able to help. Tip 4. Once you've paired your headphones the first time, they should automatically reconnect. Most Bluetooth headphones can't connect to two devices at once though, so make sure to disconnect them from any other devices before reconnecting to the C81. If your headphones don't automatically reconnect, you can press this button here to manually initiate the reconnection process. Tip 5. The C81 supports both aptX adaptive and aptX low latency. That means you'll be able to game, talk, or listen with no audio delays whatsoever, as long as your headphones also support one of these codecs. Tip 6. You might have noticed there are two versions of the C81, the PC version and the PS5 version. The only difference between the two is that the PC version is optimized for joining calls and listening to audio on laptops and, well, PCs, while the PS5 version is geared towards gaming consoles like the PS4 and 5. We recommend choosing the version that suits your usage scenario best. Tip 7. The C81 supports dual link, meaning it can stream audio to two Bluetooth headphones or earbuds simultaneously. If you ever run into reconnection issues when using dual link, try turning both pairs of headphones off, then back on again. They should automatically reconnect to the C81. And there you have it. We hope you find these tips helpful for using the C81 to its full potential. And if you ever have any questions or need any help, reach out to us at support@avantree.com. We're here to help. Thanks for watching.